Let's kick things off with a magical bunk bed that doubles as a desk, ideal for a small modern bedroom. This clever setup has a desk and bed tucked neatly beneath the top bunk, and they glide in and out effortlessly on wheels. Just lock the bed in place for a comfy and secure night's sleep for two. The best part, you can pull the whole setup out with just one hand, making it easy to clean behind it or grab anything you might have dropped. It's a smart space-saving solution that combines style with practicality. Next is a range of space-saving furniture from Hefengcasa. First, let's explore a unique table with an exclusive opening system. Another remarkable piece is a multifunctional unit that combines a desk, bed, and bookshelf. Its Nordic design adds a simple and stylish aesthetic to your home, making it an ideal choice for maximizing small spaces. Next, we have a transformable sofa that effortlessly converts into a practical bunk bed with a slatted base. This sofa bunk bed combo features an integrated ladder and safety barrier system. Following that is an Italian console table that expands from 22 centimeters to an impressive 269 centimeters in just 10 seconds. With 4 leaves, this table can extend to seat 10 people comfortably. The leaves are conveniently stored within the table. Lastly, the box coffee to dining table is a standout piece, starting as a sleek coffee table and extending into a large dining table. The leaves are concealed inside, accommodating over 6 guests with ease. Next up is a piece of furniture that takes versatility to a whole new level with 4 functions in one. It starts as a regular sofa, but easily transforms into a cozy bed for 2, with storage for pillows and blankets. But wait, there's more. The lower part of the sofa bed slides out, creating an additional sitting or sleeping area. And that's not all. This extra section can also become a good-sized desk or table, providing a perfect spot for you and your family to work or study. And now, let's dive into an incredible 3-in-1 coffee table that offers much more than just a spot for your drinks. This amazing piece can expand into a larger table, providing a perfect surface for your kids to do their homework or enjoy playing games. With a quick adjustment, it transforms into a taller table that's ideal for use as a desk or for having meals. It's designed for swift transformations and even includes a handy drawer for storing essentials. Plus, it's on wheels, making it easy to move around your space. Moving on, the Parisot Stim bunk bed brings a unique design to your space, combining functionality and style. It features a 90 centimeters wide hanging rail for clothes hangers and a bookshelf on one side, perfect for keeping everything organized. Beneath it, the pull-out drawer offers ample storage for everything from bed linen to toys and sundries, making it a practical choice for an active room. Plus, it boasts an integrated 2-door wardrobe, providing even more storage solutions in a compact design. Next, let's check out the Domino coffee table, which effortlessly blends 1960s charm with modern flair, making it a standout piece for any home. This table isn't just about looks, it's also incredibly functional. It provides a perfect spot for your drink or book during those relaxing moments in your living room. The versatile design features 4 movable sections, allowing you to rearrange the Domino table in various configurations to suit the shape and style of your lounge. Continuing with space-saving brilliance, let's explore the innovative solutions from Pricerite. Known for their high-end furniture, Pricerite specializes in designs that make your small space feel both comfortable and functional. And now, let's dive into this incredible open cabinet that holds a surprise. It's a Murphy bed. This isn't just a cabinet. It folds down in a flash to reveal a comfortable bed complete with its own desk. Perfect for watching your favorite movies right from the comfort of your bed. What's even cooler is the bed's adjustable angle, allowing you to find just the right position. There's also ample space to keep your books, drinks, or gadgets within reach. When it's time to start your day, you can tuck the bed away in seconds, making this piece a seamless blend of style and practicality. Moving forward, we have an ingenious solution by Maksim Nikolevich, a Russian construction worker who has transformed bathroom design with his hidden doors. These cleverly designed doors let you access your plumbing without cutting into your tiles, preserving the look and feel of your bathroom. The hidden doors are not only space-saving, but also enhance safety and aesthetics. Plus, they offer the perfect place to conceal anything you want to keep out of sight. From bathroom to kitchen, this ingenious design is crafted to maximize space, saving in smaller areas or wherever a clutter-free environment is desired. Concealed neatly behind a drawer front, this system easily pulls out to provide a choice of table widths, allowing you to adjust according to your needs. Shifting focus from kitchen innovations, let's take a look at Tablebed, an ingenious solution for making the most of the square meters in your apartment or house. With its innovative patented mechanism, this piece of furniture can effortlessly transform from a table to a bed and back again. Now, let's check out hidden TV lift cabinets. These ingenious cabinets eliminate the need for ample wall space and complicated installations. From the same company, check out this innovative Murphy bed that slides out from the wall. It features a built-in desk and shelves, providing a seamless blend of functionality and style. Speaking of Murphy beds, take a look at these models from Espace Topper. You'll impress everyone with this double-function lift-up bed. It can be integrated into layouts that include a bookcase, storage, dressing room, or more, depending on your needs. There's no need to clear your desk or shelves to open the bed. Thanks to its automatic opening mechanism, it operates smoothly and swiftly. The Space Topper also offers the Ketham Sofa Murphy bed, which requires no wall fixing. This model is completely self-supporting due to its sturdy structure and mechanism. Moving on to another smart solution, this kitchen hutch cabinet features a cool pull-out dining table that's both practical and stylish. Ideal for small kitchens or apartments, it provides much-needed storage and a convenient dining spot. Back to the kids' bedroom, we have two ingenious designs. The first design features a compact bed with a clever setup, a drawer bed beneath, and 4 additional storage drawers. The second design offers a horizontal Murphy bed with a top cabinet, providing a seamless blend of sleep and storage solutions. This layout is ideal for freeing up floor space during the day while ensuring that everything has its place. Similar to the previous designs, this bed from Parisot provides innovative storage solutions for the kids' bedroom. It includes drawers underneath for added storage and features compartments at the head and side of the bed, complete with pull-out cabinets. This design enhances organization and functionality while maintaining a stylish appearance. Taking space saving to the next level, check out this built-in flip-around hidden TV mount. And finally, take a look at these amazing stair designs that will amaze you.